Father's Day isn't just about thank you, Dad. It's about seeing him, the man who carried fear so that you can carry dreams. Hi, this is Mowgli, and you're watching World of Mowgli Reviews. Here are 7 stories which show fatherhood in all forms. Definitely watch these 3 feel-good movies for tears and warm hugs, and 4 crime thrillers for edge-of-the-seat tension. Number 1 is The Pursuit of Happiness. Will Smith as Chris Gardner, a broke single dad, sleeps in subway toilets with his son while chasing a non-paid internship. The movie is all about zero glam and 100% grit. There is sacrifice without any speeches. Like Chris doesn't say I love you in every 5 minutes, but shows it by never letting his son see him break. Every dad who hit their struggles with you, this is definitely for them. Number 2, we have Fatherhood, starring Kevin Hart. He's a new dad, his wife passes. With baby in his arms, he has no manual, just love and panic. The movie starts funny, but ends with a lump in your throat. It flips the script on parenting, shows dad learning diapers, Cool Run's first heartbreaks, proves that motherly instinct is only called instinct when it is a dad doing this for his child. Number 3, we have Mehta Boys, Boman Irani plus Avinash Tiwari. The story starts with the son coming back to his home for 48 hours to take care of his aging father. 2 days of fights, old grudges, and finally understanding. 90% of Indian father-son relationships, they will never say I am proud of you. Instead, they will say, Beta, job kaisi chal rahi hai? Like Mehta Boys capture that awkward love perfectly. If you're not staying with your dad, you will definitely call him after watching this. Number 4, we have Harlan Coben crime thriller, Runaway. The father's adult daughter vanishes into a toxic relationship with a cult-like guy, leaves a safe life and goes off-grid to find her. This story explains that fatherhood doesn't end at the age of 18. This is the panic every dad feels when their child, now grown, makes dangerous life choices. It's messy, desperate, and fiercely protective. And you will love the plot twist at the end. If you're hiding any secrets from your dad, this is the time you go and tell him. Number 5 is I Will Find You. This is new Harlan Coben's mystery thriller, which just released on Netflix. Innocent father wrongfully sentenced to life for murdering his son. He then escapes prison to find his child after seeing a photo which indicates that his son is still alive. He fights the entire justice system in order to get back to him. This series shows that being there isn't about being present at the birthdays. It's about never stopping the fight. Like, this show is filled with emotions, heartbreaks, betrayal, drama, crime, but at the end, you will only find pure fatherhood. Number 6, we have Father Who Moves Mountains. When a Romanian man's son goes missing in the mountains, police give up, he doesn't. One man versus nature, time and bureaucracy. Series is quite slow, devastating with no dramatic dialogues. Just a father's refusal to accept we cannot find him. It's about the length a dad will go when the world says stop. If you have ever seen your dad never giving up on you, watch this with him. Number 7, we have Maharaja starring Vijay Sethupathi. When a barber's Lakshmi gets stolen, he walks into Chennai's underworld to get it back. What exactly Lakshmi is? Well, I don't want to give you any spoilers, but it redefines everything. This is father's rage in silence. Like, Vijay Sethupathi has 2 modes, a gentle dad and a man you do not mess with. It's about the line you cross when someone threatens your child. Violent, yes, but the code is simple and universal. 3 feel-good movie shows dads building their child's world brick by brick. And the 4th thriller shows dads burning the world down when their child is threatened. Different tones, but same truth. Being a dad is love plus fear 24/7. Watch the feel-good ones with him to keep the mood light. To the thrillers when he says, Beta, kuch action wala lagao. But end of the day, spend time with your dad. And let me know in the comment section which one is your Father's Day watch list. Happy Father's Day. And for more such videos, follow me.